Even though I'm not like a really big car guy, I can appreciate the innovative thought and the forward thinking of Elon Musk and Tesla and what they produce. So this past week, we got the unveiling of the Tesla S Plaid, which is an upgraded version of the Tesla model. And it's probably one of the, probably, well, not probably, it is one of the fastest cars that has ever been invented. That's all well and good for auto enthusiasts and everything, but for those of us who are in the investment space, the question does come up, why should we invest in Tesla? Should you invest more money in Tesla? And why hasn't the price gone up with this big announcement? What's going on, guys? This is Wrestling with Finance, a wrestling channel for people who have wrestled with finance in the past and want to know about how to make it better in the future. We do talk about stocks in the stock market, and Tesla has been, over the last year, one of the hottest stocks out there on the market. It went up tremendously about a year ago. I fortunately got on it right before it went up tremendously, and a lot of people have made tons of money by investing in Tesla. The question, though, is with this new Tesla Plaid, as I mentioned before, why hasn't the price jumped up the way it has in the past? There are a couple of reasons for that. Statistics have shown that people who do hit the like button and the subscribe button and a notification bell have a 3 times better chance of getting a Tesla S Plaid in the next couple of months as opposed to people who don't. So for your own benefit, you might want to try to hit the button. No, but seriously, there's a lot of reasons why the stock price did not go up. And one of them is because it's due to the pandemic and a lot of stuff that happened last year. Tesla has not moved as many cars. None of the automakers has moved as many cars as they have over prior years. So the market cap was a little bit shaky in the last couple quarters. But the predictions that are made, and the prediction even Elon mentioned in the unveiling of this new S Plaid car, is that within the next quarter or two, probably the third and fourth quarter of the year, they're going to get up to about 1,000, maybe 1,200, maybe even up to 1,500 deliveries of the Model S Plaid, which at that point in time, I think the stock market will probably key in on it once they start seeing these sales numbers coming in, and people are going to jump into the market, probably buying more Tesla stock at that point. For you, this probably means if you are a savvy investor and you're willing to take a little bit of a risk on this, it might be an idea to, if you don't have Tesla stock, this might be a good time to get in on it. If you already have Tesla stock, this might be time to buy more, because all projections are that the stock price is probably going to go up in the third and fourth quarter of 2021. So you might as well jump in on it now if you want to. Of course, I should always remind you guys, this is not a stock advice. You should never take advice from anybody you listen to on YouTube solely. You should also go do your own research on what's going on with Tesla, their company, their earnings reports, their projections, and whether or not the cars are made and are shipped and are delivered to the levels that Elon has said. And I would say anywhere around 1,000 deliveries by the end of quarter 3, which you're looking at around September, October time. I think at that point in time, you could probably look and see whether or not the price is going up and whether or not more people are investing in Tesla stock and more people are making a buzz about Tesla stock, because a lot of what Tesla is based on is the buzz. And even in this presentation, it's really interesting because Elon is not a great speaker. He's not a tremendous presenter in the traditional sense, but there's something about him that is magnetic to people, that make people get in on what he's doing, that make people believe in what he's doing. We've seen so many of these before, however, that him having an unveiling of this and a Cybertruck and other stuff is not as impactful to the stock price as it has been in the past. I think, again, it's going to be more on the performance, the actual market cap, and seeing that go up and seeing the production lines increase and seeing more and more people driving these things and more people getting excited about these things and all of the new interesting gadgets that are coming along with this, which is also part of why I think the price may go up in the future. Tesla has standardized a lot of the interior in particular. They really were talking a lot about the interior in this presentation, and this is the same similar interior we're going to see in the Cybertruck and in some of the other cars that are coming up down the line for 2021 and 2022 and so on and so forth. And with the new console, with the new U-shaped steering wheel that's got everybody kind of wondering what's going on. You've got also the autopilot camera that has been recording a lot of information. The algorithm that Tesla uses for this is kind of increasing, and So that, and it's learning more and it's getting a lot better with the self-driving stuff. They even said some of the technology within the car is comparable to a PS5, which, you know, obviously gaming and movies and entertainment is going to be part of the Tesla package for this S Plaid version. I do think that also the increased audio component, because a lot of car enthusiasts are big into their audio, that's going to be a big thing. And probably the most important thing is the fact that the car can go from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. It's the first car to ever do that. So there's a lot of innovations here that Elon, Tesla, the whole crew over there have made with electric cars, and this very sexy, fast, innovative, future-thinking electric car that they've produced. There's a lot of competition in the EV market coming up pretty soon, but the industry leader is clearly Tesla, despite the fact whatever BMW and whatever anybody else is Ford, anybody else is really doing in the space, Tesla is the brand standard for electronic vehicles, and this is another I wouldn't say a light year jump, but this is another advancement in the growing popularity of electric cars. I mean, even today I was driving around and saw that they had installed some electric vehicle charging stations near a Target that's near my house. So this is getting out there, and I think it's much like a lot of things we talk about on this channel. This is going to be a future innovation that's going to be part of everyday life. So I want to know what you guys think about this. Do you think it's time to invest in Tesla now? Do you want to wait to see if this goes forward, or if there are any hiccups or any problems with the car, or whether or not the cars catch fire again or something like that? Let your voice be heard in the comment box below. Until next time, I will see you guys here after, of course, you hit the like button and the subscribe button and notification bell. But I'll see you guys here for more news, commentary, and reviews here on Wrestling with Finance. And don't forget to, you can always get some free goodies on my videos down in the description box below. Free stocks, free crypto, free 30-day trials of Amazon Prime. So definitely check all that stuff out in the description box below. I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.